been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Ford Escape SE in black. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 7026A.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.